Hi everyone, welcome to Tech and Cryptos. In this video, we are going to learn how we can get new users to sign up for the Temu shopping app. In the Temu shopping app, there is an option where we can invite new people with a referral code. So, in order to do this, let's proceed by opening the Temu shopping app. Once you get to the app, press on the U button in the bottom panel, then go to Earn Free Gifts and Cash. Now go to Redeem Cash, where you can see there's an option called Refer New App Users. Once you get to this screen, press on the Refer New App Users. If your new user's target is in any of the social media app that is shown in the option, you can directly press on it and a message will be sent. If you want to make it anonymous, you can press on Copy Link. Once you copy the link, there's a set of instructions that the app provides on how to use the copied link. So once you read this, press on Refer Friends. Now your link is copied. If you want to share this link anywhere, you can share it, and when people click on this link, they will be redirected to the Temu app. In this way, you can get new users to sign up for the Temu shopping app. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to drop us a like and make sure you have subscribed to our channel to enjoy more informative content every day. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.